Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit WhatsApp messages after sending it. Note that in order to get this option, you will need to edit within 15 minutes of initially sending the message. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp. Type in the message. To edit this message, long press the message. Click on three dots. Then click on edit. Then update your message. And when you are done, tap the check mark to save your changes. In this way, you can edit your WhatsApp messages even after sending it, but only within 15 minutes of initially sending the message. I hope this you like.